Hey guys, good morning and what's up? So I am doing another fun tutorial here just for everyday normal makeup. I know, not usually what I do, but Lucy Quinn gotta have a normal day for once. I haven't had my coffee yet, so I apologize. 1 second. Alright, and I'm back. So my coffee's not ready to be consumed yet, which is great. So I guess step one, I'm gonna get all the shit out of my bag. I cut my hair last night just a tad bit. I don't know if any of you guys would be able to notice it, but it's there. I also am trying this cool thing where I'm gonna video vlog or something like that. A very interesting thing happened with my boyfriend trying to mount the TV to the wall. He broke like 3 drill bits, which is amazing in my eyes. Pardon the cracking in my voice. I sound like a teenage dude whenever I first wake up in the morning, which is not really becoming. So, as usual, and I'm going to stop talking now because I'm going to time warp this video again. So anything that I'm saying really is not going to do any good. Okay, I know. It's chapstick. I ain't getting all fancy just to go to the bank and pay rent. And my other bills. Still gives me that cute glow. Now, for my hair. And here we go. My hair doesn't straighten very well, but it literally just took me 30 minutes to get it this decent, so yay, here we go. Pardon all my gray hair. It's like my mom's a supervillain or something. But it's done. So I guess give this video a like and a share as I fall Give this video a like and a share, and I'll have more coming to you. And I'm also going to try to start putting more vlogs out there. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye!